Good morning to one and all. I welcome you for IABS IAS Academy's Current Affairs channel IAS News Bureau. And today topic is All India Radio Spotlight Analysis on Dharma Chakra Day celebrated by Indian government on July 4th, 2020. Here, why government is celebrating this Dharma Chakra Day and who is organizing this event? International Buddhist Confederation (IBC) in partnership with Ministry of Culture under Government of India celebrated this event on July 4th, 2020. And why and when this particular event is celebrated on Guru Purnima, that is Ashada Purnima, one of the auspicious day of Indian community, to commemorate the first sermon which is given by Lord Gautama Buddha after his enlightenment, where he thought about four nobles and eightfold path to get rid of any sufferings and sorrows in our life. And those four truths are finding the truth of suffering and cause for suffering, solution for suffering, and implementing the right action, that is right view, right intention, right speech, right action, and right livelihood, right effort, right concentration, and right mindfulness to get rid of sorrows and to get to the meaning of our reason for living in this particular earth. Now we can come to this particular thing which is being there in news, that is in spotlight analysis of yesterday's speech, that is June 4th speech in spotlight analysis. That is with respect to a literary evidence called Mongolian Conjure. This Mongolian Conjure is a kind of literary evidence which is stated back to 14th and 15th century. This particular Mongolian Conjure is a group of literary evidence which are encrypted in wooden boards by using precious stones, which has been translated into Sanskrit during this 14th and 15th century. Now, this canonical text, which is having 108 volumes of teachings of Buddhas, is considered as their Bible. And this Mongolian Conjure, it can be seen in each and every monasteries which are located in northeastern parts of the entire world. Mongolian Conjure is considered to be one of the literary evidence and source to get the teaching of Buddhism in northeastern parts of the entire world, which that may be Mongolia, Thailand, or Cambodia, Indonesia, or some parts of China also. This Mongolian Conjure, that means concise order of Lord Buddha, is now being translated into English and Hindi into 17 different volumes, and that has been published. The same thing has been sent to Mongolian Prime Minister and President as a gift from Indian government. Now we came to an end of this particular talk. Thank you.